Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening reminders or using Siri to save time. This gets you straight into action. Once the app is open, pick an existing list or create a focus list for this project so items stay organized. Tap the plus button to add your first item and type a clear task name. Then tap the info icon to set a date and time. You can also add location or priority. This initial setup ensures every reminder has context and will trigger when you expect it. Now refine the reminder using smart options so it works for you. Once done, choose a specific date and time or set a location trigger so the reminder appears when you arrive or leave a place. Make use of repeat settings for daily or custom schedules to avoid re-entering recurring tasks. Add subtasks, notes, or attachments to capture details. Tags help you filter across lists. Make sure priority is set if it's urgent, and enable when messaging for context-based prompts. Finish by reviewing and testing your reminder so it reliably appears. Mark one complete, check syncing across your iPhone, iPad, and Mac via iCloud, and confirm notifications are allowed in settings. If a reminder doesn't fire, make sure location services and notifications are enabled, and iCloud is signed in for reminders. As a quick fix, toggle iCloud sync or notifications off and on, sign out and in, or restart your device. These steps often resolve timing or sync issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.